In this video, I am going to solve question number 16 from exercise 5.3 for class 10. This question is very important because in previous board exam, this question have been asked. So listen carefully. I will first read the question. Question is as follow: a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to student of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prize. It means 700 rupees is given to give 7 prize, and the condition is given that the difference between the prize should be 20. It means suppose the first prize which you give, the second price should be less than 20. For example, I give an example. Suppose if you choose the first price, that is rupees 50, then the second price should be less than 20. That means it should be 30. Okay. Similarly, the third price will be less than 20. That means in like this. So here no amount is given here, and you have to find the value of the price. So let the first price be rupees A. So if A is the first price, that means amount, then the second price will be 20 less, so it will be A minus 20. Similarly, the third one will be A minus 20 minus 20, so it will be A minus 50. So you can say that these are the 7 prices like this. Now if see these things, that then you can see that this series are in AP. Just one given example, the difference between any two. Suppose we difference it, that means A2 minus A1. Just see here, A minus 20 and minus A. Okay, so you got minus 20. Similarly, if you subtract second price and third price, that means A3 minus A2. If you A3 minus A2, then you got A minus 40 minus A plus 20. So plus A minus A, and minus 40 plus 20, that is minus 20. Okay, so the common difference is same. So we can say that the series are in AP, and the first term, that is A, that is here. Okay, that is here, and the common difference, that is minus 20, and the amount, total amount, that is number of prize is 7, since n is equal to 7. So the sum, that means the total number, total amount, that is A7 is given here 700, क्योंकि 700 रुपया दिया था टोटल प्राइस के लिए पैसा, और टोटल प्राइस था 7, तो इसलिए 7 प्राइस का जो अमाउंट होंगे वो 700 के बराबर है, तो A7 इक्वल 700 हो गया. अब इसी को फॉर्मूला में पुट करेंगे. ओके, as we know that the formula of SN term, that is n by 2, here n is 7 and A is the first term, so it is denoted as a. Okay, and D is denoted as a minus 20. We will put is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, so we put n as a 7, then it will got like this, and A7 is equal to, this is the A7, that means 700. So here just 7 divide with 700, then it got 100. So in the right side it will be 100, in the left side 2A plus 7 minus 1, that is 6, and D is minus 20. So near, just see, I will do it once again. You got 2A plus 6 into minus 20. If you take 2 as a common, okay, by 2, now take 2 as a common, then you got A plus 3 minus 20 by 2. Now cancel out 2, so you got A plus 3 into minus 20 like this. So after multiplication you got A minus 16 is equal to 100. Now transpose it from left to right, it will be 160. So the first A is the first price, so the price will be 160. Similarly the second price will be less than 20, so it will be 140. Similarly 120, these are the price value, and this is the answer of this question. Okay, thank you.